Hey everyone, welcome back to Learn English with Podcast, the place where your English fluency improves one day at a time. If you're trying to become more fluent in English but you're not sure how to practice every day, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to share 5 simple daily habits that will help you speak more confidently, understand faster, and think in English naturally. So grab a notebook, hit that like button, and let's get started. Habit number 1, listen to English every single day. Yes, every day, even if it's just 10 minutes. You can listen while you're walking, cooking, driving, or even brushing your teeth. Try listening to English podcasts like this one, or audiobooks, news, or interviews. The goal is to surround your brain with natural English sounds and rhythm. Pro tip: don't worry about understanding everything, just keep listening. Over time, your brain will start to recognize patterns and improve your comprehension naturally. Habit number 2, speak out loud even if you're alone. You can repeat what you hear on a podcast or read a sentence out loud from a book. This helps your tongue and brain get used to producing English sounds. You don't need a partner to practice speaking. Shadowing is a great technique. Listen to a sentence and then immediately try to repeat it exactly as you heard it. Say it with me. I practice English every day and I'm getting better. Habit number 3, learn just 5 new words a day. That's it, just 5. Write them in a notebook or use a vocabulary app. But here's the secret, don't just memorize them. Try to use them in your own sentences. Example, if you learn the word confident, make a sentence like, I feel confident when I speak English with my friends. This way, you turn passive vocabulary into active vocabulary. Habit number 4, think in English. Start with simple things. Instead of thinking, where is my phone in your native language, say it in English. Where is my phone? Describe what you're doing. I'm making coffee, I'm going to work, it's a beautiful day. This habit will train your brain to use English automatically without translating. And finally, habit number 5, practice actively with podcasts. Don't just listen. Pause the podcast, repeat after the speaker, write down new words, and even answer the questions out loud. Podcasts are a great way to hear real, natural English. That's why we created Learn English with Podcast, to give you listening practice and confidence. Listening plus speaking equals real progress. So there you have it, 5 simple daily habits to improve your English fluency. Listen every day, speak out loud, learn 5 new words, think in English, practice with podcasts. Which one will you start today? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe.